What's up to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching on Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today is another video blog experience that we will discover in the Game Canlas Revival Vlog Specials. And this is the part 3 of our Team Yay. Wow, umabot na po tayo ng part 3. It feels like we're on the season 3, diba? So, nung unang-una natin ginawa is all about expansion of great ideas, of business, education, talent, diba? And then yung dito sa kamakailan lang, yung part 2 is the expansion of lesson of the talents and business, imaginations, arts, diba? So far talagang itunutuloy natin yung legacy ng Team Yay ni GM Canlas to educate the students and to have a great play sa ating Team Yay, diba? Making the everyday researchers and students to become be the best every day of their life, diba? So sa atin namang part 3, ang ating mga tatalakay ay expanding the great learnings or talents and skills, imagination, and arts. Ayun. So, hindi pa rin mawawala ang talents and skills kasi diyan nagmula ang Team Yay. Representation and to boost our talents and imagination. Kasi diyan nagsisimula yung ating great discoveries of educating and performing arts. And for today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng mga special guests and new tropang Yay na perfect sa ating mga Gen Z. Mapa Gen Z ka man, millennial, boomers, talagang mapapateam Yay ka dito at talagang mapapanood ka sa mga dekalidad na programa to educate those of the people, researchers na meron tayo dito. So, sino ba yung mga kasama natin? We will have Baby Princess. Ang sister ko nandito ulit. Talagang tropang Yay natin to. Muli natin makakasama sa top 1. Sa ating part 1, nakasama natin siya. And we will also have RJ once again. Kilbia Alonsabe. Oh. And we will have Ken Yang. And ito, very special to, si Henry C. Na kadalasan napapanood nyo naman sa aking Ninong TV sa segment na Henry C. The King of Philippine Business, educating his 100+ businesses. No? Nakala natin SM lang meron siya. Ang dami pala. And we will have ito, si Spider-Man. Wow. Kuromi, Paw Patrol Dogs, and Coco. Andali. Hindi yung batang Quiapo to na napapanood natin gabi-gabi. Si Coco Melo. Okay. Ito yung mga palabas pa. Akala nyo si Coco Martin. Soon, baka makasama natin dito sa Team Yay. If I will have a pre-accommodation with that. Si Sir Coco. Diba? Okay. Pero, sa ating unang segment, we will have the talent and skills segment. So, ito po yung ating talent and skills na pinopromote natin sa Team Yay to boost and to expand our idea kung paano nga ba ipakita ang inyong talent and skills. So, mga kasama natin dito, Baby Princess, RJ, ako. Meron din akong ipe-present dito. Nung last time mo to,
Louisa is our new classmate. It is her first day in class. At first, Louisa was not happy. She had no friends in our class. After a few days, Louisa has many friends. She is happy in our class now. Playing with numbers. Ben and Lino are playing with marbles. Ben has 3 marbles. Lino has 2 marbles. Lino got Ben's marbles. Then he has 5 marbles. Mother cat and her kittens. Tess is very happy. Her pet is a cat. It has 6 kittens. 2 kittens are black, 3 kittens are brown, 1 kitten is white. Ben and the puppy. One day Ben found a puppy. It was wet and hungry. He looked. It was wet and hungry. He took the puppy home. "Throw that puppy away," said his mother. The puppy looked at mother. It looked her with sad eyes. Mother got some milk.
Oh, bibigyan ka daw. Hanapin mo dyan, kahit hindi gwapo. Three Alvaro. Three Alvaro. Ano ba siya? Hindi gwapo. Kahit hindi gwapo. Kahit hindi. Matalino. Naldan siya yung matuto. Siya pa rin ay gugut. Ang tipo kong lalaki. Ang tipo kong lalaki. Letter A. Ang tipo kong lalaki. Ang tipo kong lalaki. O, tingin. May video siya mo yan. Video mo siya. Video mo. Ganyan. Oo ha.
As most of us know, the Philippines is currently experiencing heavy rainfall and big thunderstorms in these past few weeks. This could cause many casualties and big destructions around our surroundings. This raises a question. How should we keep ourselves safe during times like this? Well, I'm going to give some tips for you. But before that, please make sure to check Ninong TV for more educational videos like this. Now, let's dive right in. Always bring an umbrella. Because of climate change, weather has become unpredictable. So, you never know when it will rain. So it's always good to have an umbrella by your side when you're going outside. Number 2, always make sure the emergency hotline is saved on your mobile device. The Philippines often experiences thunderstorms and typhoons. These can cause floods on certain parts of our country. So, it's always good to have the emergency hotline of the Philippines or 911 if you're ever in a sticky situation. Number 3, install nets on your windows. It's not just the rain that could harm us. Mosquitoes usually enter our homes during times like this, which is very harmful to us humans. So, it is very important to make sure that you have nets installed in our windows. Number 4, eat nutritious foods. Viruses could spread around our environment very quickly in times like these. So, having a balanced diet is essential for keeping us safe. Number 5, make sure your roof is sturdy and has no holes. Sometimes, if your roof is not strong enough, the house ceiling might leak with water and cause your house to be flooded as well. In order to prevent this from ever occurring, make sure that your roof has no holes and is durable. That's all for today. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you and goodbye!
Na-discover niyo muli, Baby Princess, RJ, Kilbian, and me. So, I perform pala dito is yung Close to You. So, that was way back 2014 on my birthday. On August, I sung Close to You by Karen Carpenter. So, talagang mahilig din ako sa old song that time. So, we are continuing the making of arts dito sa ating Team Yay, di ba? As your ninong, do the Team Yay of Game Canlas na kahit siya ay more than 1 year nang pinagpahinga sa laman, di ba? So, tayo naman ay bumubuhay ng kanyang legacy na makapagbigay ng education, entertainment, at ituloy yung kanyang vision na mapasaya yung ating mga researcher at magkaroon ng idea to boost your imagination, your idea of learning new skills sa kanyang Team EA, diba? So, yung ninong, of course, with my newest tropang Yay, at kung lulobin, magkakaroon pa tayo ng mga other special guest dito. Kagaya nito, nabanggit ko kanina, Coco. Alam niya si Coco Martin. O malay nyo, other celebrity or other personality. Kasi last time, we have the C family, Miss Cheryl Chu. Tapos si Sir Lance, diba, sa kanilang mga businesses. And they are one of the known person of making arts of business. And ito, mamaya may makakasama tayo si Mr. Henry C. sa kanyang special tribute. Okay, okay, you've just discovered yung ating mga talents and skills, no? Baby Princess sa kanyang mala English na dula-dulaan. We have RJ once again on his rock and roll sensation. And Kilbian, si Kilbian sa kanyang life lesson, na lalo na pagkatag-ulan o pag tayo ay nakakaranas ng mga rainy season, weather unconditional, minsan aaraw, minsan uulan, kailangan yung kaligtasan, and that is a great education. Tingnan nyo naman, buwis buhay Kasi umakyat pa ng bundok, bundok tuloy, umakyat pa ng bubong. Kasi Kilby, my goodness. Oo, kaya sa mga nakakanood, huwag niyo pong gayaan yung segment na baka mamaya delikado. So hindi natin alam yung ibang route natin kung hanggang saan yung capacity. But anyway, kung yung bubong nila kasing bubong nyo rin, yung parang may rooftop kayo, nakakapunta kayo doon ng maayos, di ba? Pero ingat, okay? Ingat. And by the way, thank you talaga dito kay Kilpian, talagang very performing talaga. Lahat ng action ginawa niya, mga gagawin kapag tayo ay nasa middle or karanasan ng tag-ulan. Oh. So pinapakita rin naman doon, pag halimbawa ang bubong nyo may butas, kailangan nyo ipa-repair. Sakto, ito si Sir RJ, may business siya ng Jacinto Roofing. Formerly, Jacinto Roofing siya, ngayon, ano na siya, Insta Roof. Ayun, connected to kay Kilby. Pwedeng i-model si Kilby yan kay RJ neto sa mga bubong. Para i-check yung mga bubong na butas at dapat ma-repair. Diba? Para sa tag-ulan, safe na safe tayo. Okay. So, after nyan, bago tayo mapunta sa ano ba yung ating next activity, we have the October birthday celebrants. So, last time, yung mga September, binati natin. Let me only share you a special biblical verse na connected sa ating topic ngayon. Because we are expanding the great learnings for talent, skills, imaginations, and arts. Diba? So, lahat naman ng meron tayo, lahat ng napoproduce nating talents, skills, either katalinuhan, imagination, any talents na meron tayo, i-treasure natin yan. Kasi lahat naman yan ay galing sa ating Lord. And that's the one why this program is still continuing. Not only to revive and to remember JM, but we continue to educate. One of JM's mission is to educate the researcher, diba? The researcher, the students, diba? Makapagbigay tayo ng kaalaman, education, idea, to boost their capacity of working, studying, and through life. Diba? Yun naman maganda ng programa. Ito naman yung kinaganda ng programang Team J is to educate the people, diba? And to give a great show na kanyang pinamanang legacy sa atin. Diba? So, sabi nga sa Biblical of mga Kawikaan, this is chapter 3, verse 27 of Kawikaan. Huwag mong ikait ang mabuti sa kinauukulan, pagka nasa kapangyarihan ng iyong kamay na ito'y gawin. So that's the one. We are doing this because of the good things. We are doing this type of program, vlogging, for education, entertainment, and for learnings. Diba? Kung ito naman ay ikabubuti, bakit hindi natin ipagpapatuloy? Diba? So, ito naman ay good deeds na makapagbigay tayo ng education and entertainment sa mga manonood. Diba? Kaya nga sabi sa Kawikaan is, if you are doing good to educate, to give some inspiration, idea, diba? So, lalo na yung mga Gen Z natin na mahilig mag-YouTube, mahilig mag-Facebook, mahilig manood sa social media. Diba? Makapagbigay tayo ng great variety education para sa mga manonood na ngayon kasi ang dami-daming lumalabas sa social media, puro awayan, bastos, puro kaguluhan. So, ano matututunan ng kabataan yan? Rayo. Diba? So, Daninong TV, in partnership with the Jem Canlas Survival Vlog Special, is giving you a great education, entertainment para sa mga researchers at sa mga students. Diba? So, thank you for that wonderful word that we discover from our Lord, from Kawikaan. Ngayon, hawak kong gitara ko at alam nyo na kung anong ibig sabihin nito. Kakanta tayo ng happy birthday song. Pero sino ba may birthday dito sa October? We have Sir Joey De Leon. O ito, si TBJ from Itbulaga. Sir Joey De Leon. At ito, forever Itbulaga Dabar Cats. Kahit matagal na siyang pinagpahinga sa laman, ay naalala ko rin. Mr. Francis M. Ayan. And we will also have Brother Daniel Rason. Uy, birthday niya this October. Last time lang nakasama natin siya dito sa Team Yay. And we also have my classmate Clarence Terencio. At ito, yung nag-perform sa Bubong, Kilbian Alonsabe, birthday niya rin pala this October. Uy. And we also have my schoolmate Anton Sison. Okay, so happy birthday sa inyong lahat at kakantahan kayo ni Ninong nyo. Happy day, it's your birthday. Happy day, it's your happy birthday. The best ang araw na to dahil magkasama tayo. At the best ang regalo, kaibigan at pamilya mo. Tumalon, sumayaw at sumigaw. Happy day, it's your birthday. Happy day, it's your happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday sa ating mga October celebrants. Naway kayo po ay magkaroon ng healthy lifestyle, long life. At pagpe-pray ko, umabot kayo ng 100 years. O, diba? That's nice. Sana all yan, ha? Bihira ngayon ang makaabot ng 100 years. But we pray and hope these persons of October birthday celebrants, ang ating mga yay birthday, umabot ng 100 years old. Tama yun na rin ako, syempre. Okay. So, next, we will have, after ng talent and skills, we will have the presentation of imagination and arts. Oy, maganda to. Imagination and arts. We will have the special segment of Spider-Man, Kuromi, Paw Patrol Dogs, and Cocomelon. Actually, pauwi na ako nito. I visit again on a meeting in that kind of mall. Kasi dun sa mall, nandun yung mga ka-meeting ko. Mag-meeting na nga lang sa mall pa. Eh, no? Oo. At that time, pauwi na ako, na-discover ko yung mga idol ng mga kabataan at ng ating mga kapatid. O yan, kaway-kaway. Sino may gusto kay Kuromi? Kay Cocomelon? Kay Paw Patrol? Ako, yung kapatid ko, gustong-gusto to. Spider-Man. Ayan, kinalakihan ng ninong nyo yan. So, we will have a special slide with them in imagination and arts. Of course, a new robot invention na naman ni Ken. Diba, exciting yung robotics niya. Talaga nagbibigay sa atin ng brilliant idea, no? So, ang galing na ito ni Ken gumawa ng robot. Minsan, magpapaayos ko na sa kanya yung mga appliances ko. Ay, iba pala yun. Robotics to, hindi to appliance center. And we will also have ito, hari ng negosyo, Henry C. O, for the first time, magiging tropang yay natin si Henry C dito. Para ma-discover ng mga kabataan yung mga businesses at services ng Tito Henry nyo na hindi nyo alam. Na hindi rin alam ng ninong nyo. Pero nalalaman ko na unti-unti. Mapapanood nyo sa aking Team Yay. Diba? Kung di kayo gano'n nakakanood sa iba kong show, here on Team Yay, we will also revive once again the legacy of Mr. Henry C. You will check out the next vlog. Janmar! Janmar? Nasaan yun? Nasaan siya? nagpa-vlog pa siya.
So kaya isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ulit, si John Mark Campion. Nagbabalita at live na rin tayo ngayon. Dito tayo sa Bulkang Taal na
Kasi po niya, dali siya sa tuktok ng Central Park ng Bundok. Pupunta natin siya. Nagamitin natin ang road. Ayan. Nakita sa sakot. Takbo dali.
dito tayo sa Bulkang Taal na pero para sa inyo, susunod natin ang aking buwan. Para lang makapag-report sa inyo dito sa nagbabaga at hila. Umutok na bulkan dito sa Bulkang Taal.
Brace, pag-signal ka. Waiting drive. Going to Jan. To the tent. Okay.
Pero para sa inyo, susugan natin ang aking buhay para lang makapag-report sa inyo dito sa nagbabaga at hila. Umutok na na bulkan dito sa Bulkang Taal.
Nandito na yung reklamo. Tara na, sumama ka na. Meron na ako kailangan ko makita. Parang ito. Ipuputok ko yung bulkan yun. Atas ang mga gano'n. Teka, Debar, magpapakamatay ka ba?
Hindi, sige na. Mauna na. Aabangan ko to. Importante to. Importante ko to. Ayun na. What's up to all of you? Ito na. Malapit na. Kita niyo ba? Malapit na pumutok yung bulkan. Ayun.
So, John Mark, stop this. Ano nangyayari? Sino pa parang yun? Yun. Police ito niyo.
Kailangan mo lang sumama. We have to save you. Nandun ang family ko. Hindi ko hindi. Importante ito.
Itataya mo ang buhay na ito. Para lang sa location na yan.
Para sana buwasan ng mga anak ko.
Mga anak, kung sa akin sinasabi dyan, para kasi hindi na to.
Basta. Mapakwento.
Ibigyan ko na. Kailangan ko yung mga Pilipinas sa loob ng mundo. Kung hindi ko makakita, hindi ko rin ko rin. Saan matukan ka?
Basta. Nandun yun. Narami ko doon. Sige na. Bumabaan na.
Alam ko nga pa ng Philippines dahil sabi ko sa akin, doon tayo sa kanila na magkikita. Kung bakit iiwan mo ko? Talaga bang di naman mapapag-isip ko dyan?
Pasensya na. Gagawin din mo kung bakit yung isip ko. Sige. Bawal na ka.
Dapat. Thank you. Sabi mo, you're a good friend, Boogie. You're my idol brother.
Oo. Bawal na ka. Ligtas mo yung sarili mo. Sige.
Nakalpo and Bulkan
My
Pumutok.
daughter Walla Pa Siladito.
mapapanood sa vlog ko. Like dito na rin nagtatapos.
Tatay, bakit di sumama si Tito?
Hindi natin alam, Chris, kung bakit hindi sumama si Sir John Marco.
Dad, I'm
But we
scared.
have to save ourselves. Papunta na tayo kay Mama Shasha mo.
Dahil sasama na ako. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumabaybay at nagbibigay ng mababang piling sa mga videos na ito. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mababang piling sa mga videos na ito. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
No! In Jesus' name. Sayang.
Lili Padnateo Shasha. Volcanic asteroid is coming with us.
Wait, see Juliet Kasama La. Let's wait, my daughter.
You said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you made me cry.
At ako pala si John Marco.
I beg you, please, I'm on my knees. If that's what you want me to, come back to me and we will be happy together.
Special shout out kay Philip Martin from Bacoor.
Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again.
Hala, nakigulo na nga.
Strawberry.
Yes, strawberries is fine.
Buti wala.
Lagyan natin ng
Bili ako. Bili ako mamaya.
asin. Meron na.
Gagawa. Mama lang kakainin ko.
We stopped spilling the beef. It smells good. You like this one?
Anong oras na? 12? 12 na pala.
Put this little by little so your texture gets
Little by little only. Tapos binuhos nga buong ano no. Boom.
more.
Paliw ka, ginulat mo ako eh. Okay na yan.
After mixing.
Malling ang tawag sa pagpapalipas ng oras sa shopping mall tulad ng SM. Ang kultura ng malling ay unti-unting naging bahagi ng buhay ng maraming Pilipino magmula nang magsulputan ang SM Supermall na nagsisilbing tambayan, pasyalan, aliwan, kainan at pamilihan. Hindi lamang sa Metro Manila, kundi maging sa mga probinsya. Good afternoon. Let's go. Ang tagumpay ng naglalakihang mall ng SM ay pamana sa lipunan Pilipino ng higanteng negosyante na sinasaong Henry C. Sa edad na 83, patuloy pa rin siya sa pagkakatrabaho. Katunayan, kasama pa ako sa kanyang pagbibisita sa Mall of Asia, ang pinakamalakihang mall sa buong bansa. Hindi lang kami. How often, sir? How often do you come here? Wow, really? 6 times a week? inaanak ni Mr. C na si Tessie Cotton kung paano nagsimula ang ama sa pagnenegosyo noong dekada 50. He was just selling anything that he can get during the time of World War II. And one of the things that he focused on were buying shoes from some of the GIs. Dito raw marami nagsimula ang interes ng kanilang tatang sa pagtitinda ng sapatos. Ang negosyong siya rin sinamulat ni tatang Henry C. sa kanyang pamilya. I was selling shoes then. I guess you were born into it. So I was selling shoes when I was about 8-year-old. And I guess after that, then you feel obliged also to help out your parents. And I guess maybe my parents give us the guilt that we should really help out. So one thing follow another, and so we find ourselves getting more and more involved in the business. Kung nooy misturang naging misyon na ng pamilya C, ang magtinda ng dekalidad na sapatos sa bawat Pilipino. 1970, nabuksan ang unang Shoe Mart sa Carriedo sa Maynila. Natudan pa ito ng iba't ibang saray na lumaki at naging department stores. At kalaunan ay naging supermalls na. Ngayon, bukod sa SM Supermalls, nakapundang na rin ang bangko, hotel at resort ang pamilya C. Masaya si Ginong Henry C. sa kanilang tagumpay. Pero mas makukumpleto raw ito kung mararamdaman din ng mga komunidad na nakapaligid sa kanilang mall ang pag-angat ng antas ng pamumuhay. Dahil dito, noong 1983, inilunsad ni Ginong Henry C. ang SM Foundation. Ito ang sangay ng kumpanya na tututok sa iba't ibang proyekto na makatutok sa iba't ibang pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayang mahihirap. We touch the lives of those who can buy by selling our merchandise and services to them, and on the other hand, the underprivileged, if we can do something for them without selling anything, without getting payments for them, then we will be touching a lot of lives both ways. Sa isang mensahe ni Tatang na nailathala noong nakaraang taon, itinayag niya ang SM Foundation ang puso at kaluluwa ng SM. Dahil ito daw ang nagbibigay ng kahulugan sa kanilang ginagawa sa negosyo. Unang naging proyekto ng SM Foundation ang pagbibigay ng libreng edukasyon sa mga mahihirap na kabataan. Mula ng ilunsad ang scholarship program, tinatayang umaabot na sa halos 1,000 kabataan ang napagtapos ng foundation sa kolegyo. Dagdag pa dito ang naging 600 estudyante na naka-enroll sa kasalukuyan. My dad believes that in order to be better in life, you have to have education, and he was working and studying at the same time for several years. Pero maging si Tatang, nagiging pa sa edukasyon ang kailangan ng kapuspalag nating mga kababayan. Kaya naman, sa halos lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ng isang Pinoy, silang may nakahandang proyekto ang SM.
this thing. Take a look at it. Now, this is the Millennium Falcon. And it is Lepin, though it is pretty much an exact replica of Lego set. And it has 8,445 pieces. And a lot of them were spare parts. So this is not included, but this is all of the spare parts that we have. So yeah, that's a lot of spare parts. And also, included with this, before we get into the Millennium Falcon, is BB-8. Whatever this thing, I forgot what it's called. Alright, don't judge me. The younger version and the older version of Han Solo. Rest in peace. Rest in pieces. Chewbacca. Finn. Rey, except I lost the hair. It fell down and it get lost. Alright. Two of these Porg things. Well, okay, one of them just fell down.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating programang Team Yay Part 3. Part 3 na po tayo. Expanding the great learnings for talents and skills, imagination, and arts. Okay, maraming salamat sa ating mga nakasamang special guest. Once again, my sister, Baby Princess, RJ, Kilbian Alonsabe, Kanyang, Hensi, Spider-Man, Kuromi, The Paw Patrol Dogs, and Coco Melon. Ayun, si Coco Melon na na-discover natin ang kanilang mga talent portion, education, entertainment na magbibigay sa atin ng great learnings. Kagaya nga ng sinabi sa kawikaan of chapter 3 verse 27, if you're doing good, no? Ipagpatuloy natin to. It's a service to educate and to serve the people, the economy, education, entertainment, diba, boosting of idea. Makakatulong yan na tayo ay mag-grow. Huwag nating pipigilan na dahil lang sa kalaban, dahil may nangbubuli sa atin na, ay, mahina ka, hindi mo kaya yan, ay, pangit yan. Oh, pangit sa'yo yan. Ay, paulit-ulit, ganyan-ganyan. May talent ka eh. Ikaw yung may talent dito, diba? Hindi naman sila yung may talent na yon, o iba yung talent nila sa talent mo, diba? So, if your talent is good, diba? Bakit hindi mo to gagawin? Or bakit ipahihintulot natin yung mga mabubuting gawa, diba? Especially ang Kuya Daniel nyo, gumagawa ng mabuti on his CSR, helping people, helping the poor, the economy, diba? Yung, sa religion niya, mayroon siyang special promo ng grocery, libre, diba? Maski na yung eye check-up, teeth check-up, kalusugan, libre lahat, my goodness. So, tingnan nyo nga naman yun. Napakabuting gawa yan. So, yung mga mabubuting gawa, huwag nating pahintulutan. Kung masamang gawa, dapat yan ang ipahintulot natin. Kasi yun, masama yan. Ang ipadaan natin dito is yung kabutihan. To continue the great education and to boost and to empower the people. Diba? Yan naman ang kailangan natin. So, maraming salamat po. At dito nagtatapos ang ating programa. See you again. Sa loloobin ay magkaroon ulit tayo ng mga ganitong programa as we still continue to reach out our Gen Z, our people, students, researchers, as we continue the legacy of Jem Canlas of making shows, making be the best every day sa ating mga researchers at mga manonood sa ating Team Yay. Maraming salamat po. At ito po ang ninong nyo na nagsasabing, be the best every day. Go Team Yay! Salamat sa mga nanonood. Pagpatuloy lang po natin ang paggawa ng mabuti at pagbibigay ng education and entertainment. Subscribe Ninong TV on YouTube and Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google. And buy this video blog if you wanted, 150 lang. 80 pesos for screen record. Goodbye and thank you. Kita kits and see you again for the next show. Team Yay Part 3.